So today we will see flip-flop conversions. So before going to that, we will summarize what we discussed in this previous class. So previous class we talked about different flip-flops like SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop, and respect to equations and excitation tables and truth tables we've seen in detail already. So by using that knowledge, we will convert one flip-flop to another flip-flop. So why it is, what is the necessity to convert from one flip-flop to other flip-flop means, for example, if we have SR flip-flop, so same SR flip-flop I want to use as a T flip-flop. At that time, we required this type of conversions. Okay. Now we will see the flip-flop conversions in detail. So let us start. So flip-flop conversions, only 3 steps you need to remember. So first step is consider the truth table for destination flip-flop. Consider the truth table for destination flip-flop and extend it as excitation table of source flip-flop. Okay. Second step is draw the K-map for source flip-flop input variable. It will provide expression for conversion. Third one is draw the circuit according to the K-map expressions. Okay. So here, for example, conversions are SR to JK, then SR to T, SR to D, and JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, and JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, and T flip-flop to D flip-flop, and D flip-flop to T flip-flop. So these are the basic conversions in flip-flop conversion mechanism. Okay. So first one is SR to JK flip-flop, SR to T flip-flop, SR to D flip-flop, JK to T flip-flop, and JK to D, and T to D, and D to T. Okay. So here, for example, if we take SR to JK flip-flop, so from SR to JK, we have SR flip-flop. We need to convert from SR to JK. That means SR is the source flip-flop. SR means source flip-flop, and JK means destination flip-flop. Okay. From which it means source, to which it means destination. Okay. From SR to JK means SR is the source flip-flop and JK is the destination flip-flop. Now you can understand these 3 steps. Consider the truth table for destination flip-flop and extend it as excitation table of source flip-flop. That is the first step. Second one is draw the K-map for source flip-flop input variable. It will provide expression for the conversion. Third one is draw the circuit according to the K-map expression. Okay. Now we will see first one as SR to JK flip-flop. That means we have SR flip-flop is available now. We want to convert from SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay. So that means SR to JK. SR to JK flip-flop conversion. Okay. So what is the first step? First step is consider the truth table for destination flip-flop. So what is the destination? This one is the source. This one is the destination. So what is the truth table for destination flip-flop? So if you want to convert any flip-flop to any other flip-flop, you have a knowledge about truth table, excitation table. Then only it will easy. Okay. So now SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop means first write the truth table for destination flip-flop. So what is the truth table for destination flip-flop? Destination flip-flop is here JK. So JK truth table QN and QN plus 1 for 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this one is present state is we don't know, that means it don't care conditions. Okay. So what is the truth table for JK flip-flop? For 0 0 it is present state only. Next state as present state. For 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 is QN bar. 1 1 is QN bar. This one is the truth table for JK flip-flop. Here destination flip-flop. So after writing that, we have to write the uh, excitation table for SR flip-flop. What is the excitation table for SR flip-flop? Already we derived how to get the excitation table for SR flip-flop. So I will write excitation table for SR flip-flop. So this one is uh, Q, QN, QN plus 1 and SR. That means it one is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Already I told how to remember. One trick is there. How to remember excitation table. So here this one is the present state. This one is the next state. How to remember? Next state is as it is. So this is the second column. Next state is as it is. That is 0, same 0, same 0. Okay. Same 1. Next same 0. And last one is don't care. Last one is don't care. So this is rivet. Rivet means reverse. So here cross means don't care, then 0, then 1, then 0. So this is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. This is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Okay. So I repeat, listen carefully. First, we have to write the JK flip-flop truth table, that is destination flip-flop from SR to JK. After that, we have to write the source flip-flop excitation table. Already we derived, but it is a tricky way to remember the this excitation table is. So next state, write it as it is 0, 1, 0. Last one, we take it as, we write it as don't care. Then it is a reverse from don't care, then 0, then 1 and 0. This is called excitation table. Excitation table. This one is truth table. Okay. Now, what is the step we will see? What is the next step? We have to extend it as excitation table of source flip-flop. Now we have to extend the truth table. That means how to extend? How to extend? This one is J, K, QN, QN plus 1. Okay. Okay. So 0, 0. In previous, Qn is equal to what? Don't care. Don't care means either it is 0 or 1. Okay. Then 0, 1. Don't care means either 0 or 1. Okay. Next 1, 0. 1, 0 means here don't care means either 0 or 1 for 1, 0. Next 1, 1. 1, 1 means either 0 or 1. So this is the extended. Simply we are writing in the place of don't care, we are writing 0 and 1. So this is the extension for JK flip-flop from truth table. Now we will find the next state. Now we will find the next state. Okay. How we will find the next state? From truth table. For 0, 0, for 0, 0 is given here. For 0, 0 is given. So what is the next state? Qn only. That means whatever the present state is exists, that same state will get at the next state. Okay. That is Qn only. That means if Jk is equal to 0, 0 means same state we will get 0 as it is and 1 as it is. For 1, 0 case, for 1, 0 case, for 1, 0 case, what is the next state? 0. Irrespective of a present state, we will get state as 0. Here 0 and here 0. Then similarly for 1, 0 case, we will get here 1 and here 1. Then 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0 means what is the here 1, 1, 0 means what is the next state? Qn bar. Qn bar means complement here. Present state is complement. So here 1, 1 means 0 is complemented as 1 and 1 is complemented as 0. Okay. This is extended truth table. This is extended truth table. Extended it as excitation table of source. Extended it as excitation table of source flip-flop. So we have to write the source flip-flop here. Source flip-flop means this one is S and this one is R. Okay. Now, how we will get SR from this? Okay. So this is, for example, here 0, 0 is there. In previous excitation table for 0, 0, what we got here 0 and don't care. For 0, 0, we are getting 0 and don't care. For 1, 1, for 1, 1, what is there for 1, 1? For 1, 1 is don't care and 0. For 1, 1, don't care and 0. For 0, 0, 0 don't care. For 1, 0, so for 1, 0, we got 0 and 1. For 1, 0, 0 and 1. So that means 0 and 1. For 0, 1. For 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. For 0, 1, 1, 0. And 1, 1, we got don't care and 0. For 0, 1, we got 1, 0. And 1, 0, we got 0, 1 from the excitation table. This is the extended for excitation of truth table. Okay, this one. Now we will find the K-map for S, S and R. Now we will find the K-map for S and R. So that means it is a 3 variable. Okay, it is a 3 variable because J and K and Qn are the 3 variable means we will use 3 variable K-map. Okay. Now I draw the 3 variable K-map. So this one is 3 variable K-map. Okay. So this one is Qn. This one is Jk. So first this one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now we will find the expression for S. S means first we will take this one for how we will get this one. If J is equal to 0, and k is equal to 0, if qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. Understood? I repeat, concentrate. If j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, present state qn is equal to 1, at that instant we will get it as don't care in s. Okay, for s expression. So jk 0 0, if qn is equal to 1, that means jk 0 0 means first column, qn is equal to 1, qn is equal to 1. So this is the qn is equal to 1 means we will get don't care here. Okay, then next here 1. How you got this one? If j is equal to 1, k is equal to 0, jk is equal to 1 0, qn is equal to 0. Okay, jk is equal to 1 0, qn is equal to 0. So jk is equal to 1 0 and this one, this column, and qn is equal to 0 means we will get this one 1. Then how we will get this don't care? If jk is equal to 1 0 and qn is equal to 1, jk is equal to 1 0 and qn is equal to 1, that means jk is equal to 1 0 and qn is equal to 1 means here don't care. Okay, then 1 means if jk is equal to 1 1, qn is equal to 0. jk is equal to 1 1 means this column, and qn is equal to 1. So qn is equal to 1 means this one. Okay, this is qn is equal to 0. qn is equal to 0 means jk is equal to 1 1 and qn is equal to 0 means this one. Okay, now we will map how we will get this one. So first this is the combination. So for this is expression for s. S is equal to so this row, first row means 0 means it is qn bar, and here 1 1 and 1 0, which is common. 1 is the common, 1 means j, qn bar j is the expression for s. Similarly we will find the expression for r. So by using three variable k map, like this. So this is qn and jk 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So now we will find the expression for r. This is for r. R is equal to what? So writing the expression for r. R means this one. Okay. First, this one is don't care. Don't care. If jk is equal to 0 0, qn is equal to 0, we will get don't care. That means jk is equal to 0 0 and qn is equal to 0 means here we will get don't care. Okay. Then other don't care here. When it will get, if jk is equal to 0 1 and qn is equal to 0, jk is equal to 0 1 means second column, and qn is equal to so this is the second column, qn is equal to 0 means this is the don't care. Okay, then 1, how we will get 1? If jk is equal to 0 1, qn is equal to 1, jk is equal to 0 1 and qn is equal to 1. So jk is equal to 0 1 means second column, and qn is equal to 1 means this is the thing. Then next, last one, how we will get this one? If jk is equal to 1 1 and qn is equal to 1, then we will get here output 1. Next step. Okay, jk is equal to 1 1 means third column, and qn is equal to 1 means this one. Now we will group these two things. It is the possibility to group these two cells. Then what is the expression? So it is the row, bottom row, it means 1. 1 means Qn. 1 means Qn. If 0 means Qn bar. If 0 means Qn bar. So bottom row is mapping means we will get Qn. Okay. Qn. And from these two columns 0, 1 and 1, 1. 0, 1 and 1, 1. Which one is the common term? 1 is the common term. That means K. That means K. Okay. So this is the expression for R. So now we got two expressions. S is equal to Qn bar J and R is equal to Qn K. Now we will convert SR to JK. So that means we have SR flip-flop. Okay, we have SR flip-flop. That means I draw this SR flip-flop here. So this is SR flip-flop. So S R, this one is Qn and Qn bar. So one clock is there always. Okay, this is called SR flip-flop. Okay, we have available now SR flip-flop. Now this SR flip-flop I want to use as a JK flip-flop. That means we got S is equal to Qnj. Now this Qn bar, so this Qn bar is connected to S. This one is J. Okay, understood? So one input is J, other input is Qn bar, that is given to the S. Okay. Similarly, R means this is Qn into K. AND gate we are using. So AND gate R is connected, and so this one is K. This one is K, and this Qn is connected to this one. Okay, that means what is the output here? Kqn is equal to R. Kqn is equal to R. So this is the implementation. Now it looks like JK flip-flop. So actually it is a SR flip-flop. By adding extra circuitry to SR flip-flop, we will make it as JK flip-flop. Understood this one? Likewise, we have to convert from any flip-flop to any other flip-flop. So we have to add some circuitry, extra circuitry to the source flip-flop. So this is called SR to JK flip-flop. That means SR flip-flop is converted into JK flip-flop. Okay. So this is the conversion. Now we will see some other conversion. Okay. Now we will see some other conversion like SR to, for example, I will today SR to D flip-flop. SR to D flip-flop. How to convert this SR to D? So SR means it is the source flip-flop. This one is destination flip-flop. Source flip-flop and destination flip-flop. So what is the first step? SR to D flip-flop. First to write the truth table for destination flip-flop. So destination flip-flop here is D flip-flop. D flip-flop truth table is D, Qn and Qn plus 1. Okay. So 0, 1. Here present state is don't care. So whatever the input is given to D flip-flop, same out state we get here also 1. So this is called D flip-flop truth table. Okay. So what is the excitation table for source flip-flop? Excitation table, just SR excitation table for source flip-flop is this one is QN plus 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. That means, so first column is as it is 0 1 0, last one is don't care, then it is reverse, that is don't care 0 1 and 0. So this is the excitation table. This one is truth table, this one is the excitation table. Okay, now we will find the extended excitation table from D flip-flop. Okay, now I will write here. So this is D QN plus 1. Okay, so this one is S, this one is R. Okay, now so we know that now we will extend this D flip-flop. So here D means 0. Here don't care means we are writing either 0 or 1. So same 0 will come here. Then 1. 1 means here 1. In the place of don't care we are writing 0 or 1. Here 1. Okay. Then how we will get this next state? This Qn plus 1 is the next state. How we will get next state? That means if 0 is their input in D flip-flop, we will get next state as 0. Next state as 0. So if D is 0, next state as 0, next state. Here D is equal to 0, next state as 0. Then if D is equal to 1, we will get next state as 1. That means here 1, here D is equal to 1 means here 1. Okay. Then we will find the SR equations. Okay. So this one we call it as excitation table. This one is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Now, so this is Qn and Qn plus 1. So for 0 0, for 0 0 we are getting 0 into don't care for SR. For 1 0, Qn is equal to 1, Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. For 1 0 we got 0 0. Okay. Then for 1 0 we got 0 1. For 1 0 we got 0 1, this one. For 1 0 we got this one. Okay. For 0 1, for 0 1, 0 1 means here 1 0. Okay. For 1 1, for 1 1 we are getting here 1 1 we are getting don't care and 0. So don't care and 0. So this is the excitation table of SR. Excitation table of yes, that is extended. Now from this we find the truth table, we find the expression for yes as well as R. How to find expression? So here we have only two inputs, D and feedback input is Qn means it is two variable K-map. So two variable K-map for yes is, so this is two variable. So this one is D, this one is Qn 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now for yes, for 1 0, for 1 0 we are getting 1. If D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get 1. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0 means we will get here 1. Okay. So then don't care. Don't care. How we will get this one? if D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. Okay. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1, we will get here don't care. Now we will group these two is a possibility. Now we will get, so yes, yes is equal to, why it is yes? We are finding expression for this one. So it is yes is equal to D, S is equal to D, because there is no common term here and here, 0, 1. So S is equal to D. Similarly, we will find the expression for R here. Okay. R means, so this is the K map. So this one is D and Qn 0, 1, 0, 1. So R is equal to, now, so first one is don't care. How we will get, if D is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 0. D is equal to 0. So this one, D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0 means we will get don't care. Then here 1. How we will get 1? If D is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 1, we will get 1. D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. 1 means here we will get 1. Now we will group together. We will get here 0 means D bar. Here 0 means D bar. Okay. So now we got the two expressions. Now we will implement SR as a D flip-flop. Okay. So it is a SR to D flip-flop. That means available flip-flop is SR. Now we will draw the SR flip-flop here. So this is the SR flip-flop. S and R. S and R. This one is present state and present state complement. So one clock will be there always. Now, so this is the S terminal, this is the R terminal. Okay. So S is equal to D. S is equal to D means, so this is the D. S is equal to D. Then one NOT gate, because D bar we are giving this one. Okay. Now this is the implementation of SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay. So S is here, S is equal to D. We are giving whatever the D, S. Here R means D bar. So here D is inverted, then we will get here D bar. So R is equal to D bar. So this is the conversion from SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay. Sorry, SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay. Okay, now we will see some other conversion. So SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. So SR to T flip-flop. That means this is the destination flip-flop. This is the source flip-flop. So first to write the truth table for destination flip-flop. So destination flip-flop truth table is T, Qn and Qn plus 1. So 0, 1, we don't know, don't cares. For T flip-flop, we are getting Qn and this one is Qn bar. Okay, this is the truth table for destination flip-flop. That means T flip-flop. Then what is the excitation table for SR flip-flop? Write the excitation table for SR flip-flop. SR, sorry, this one is Qn, Qn plus 1 and SR. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So SR flip-flop, so same as it is 0, 1, 0. So last one we make it as don't care. Then it is reverse. First don't care, then 0, then 1 and 0. So this is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. So from this we can extend, so T, Qn, Qn bar, Qn plus 1 and SR, S into R. That means T is equal to 0. So don't care can be written as 0 or 1. So 0 or 1. Then T is equal to 1. Don't care can be written as 0 or 1. Okay. Then if 0 is given, same state we will get. So whatever the state is there, same state. So 0 is, present state is 0 and next state is also 0. Present state is 1, next state is also 1 for T is equal to 0. Similarly, if T is equal to 1, present state is complemented, that is Qn plus Qn bar. So if T is equal to 1, 0 is complemented as 1. Here 1 is complemented as 0. Okay. Now, so Qn plus 1, present state and next state. If 0, 0 is given, what is the, this is the 0, 0. So what is the SR here? 0 into don't care. Then 1, 1. Here 1, 1. So 1, 1 is given. Here 1, 1 means don't care and 0 here. Then 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1, 0 here. So 0, 1. So this is the 0, 1. We will get 1, 0. Next 1, 1. 1, 0. This is 1, 0. 1, 0 means here 1, 0 means we are getting S as 0, 1. So 0, 1. So this is the extended truth table. This is the extended truth table. From this, we will find the expression for S and R. So S means it is a two variable. So what is a two variable means? So this is T, this is Qn, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now for S is equal to don't care here. So how we will get don't care when 0, 1. T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1 means we will get don't care. Similarly, 1. How we will get 1 here? So if T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0 means we will get 1. Now we will map this one means we will get S is equal to T Qn bar. That means this row means 1. 1 means T. 0 means here T bar. This row means T and this column means Qn bar. Yes. Similarly, that is for S. Now we will see for R. So this is T, this is Qn 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now R is equal to how to find. So R is here don't care. Don't care means whenever T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0 means this is the don't care. Then where we will get 1 here? If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1 means here we will get 1. That means we will map this one means, so T and this column is Qn, T Qn. Okay. So this is the expression for R. This is the expression for S. Now we will design. So we have SR flip-flop. So SR flip-flop is like this. S and R. This one is Qn and one is Qn bar. One clock will be there always. Now, how we will get SR flip-flop from this? Okay, S is equal to T. S is equal to T Qn bar. That means one AND gate S is equal to. So this one is T. This one is T and Qn bar. So Qn bar is given as input. Okay, that is S. So S is equal to one input is T into Qn bar. Then R. R is equal to, so this is one AND gate. R is equal to T and one Qn bar. So this is the same T we are given here. Same T and Qn. Qn means this one. Qn is given. Okay. So this is T flip-flop. Actually, it is a SR flip-flop. Now we are converted into T flip-flop. Some small modification, some extra circuitry added to the SR flip-flop. So this is the conversion for SR to T flip-flop. Likewise, we will convert D flip-flop to T flip-flop, T flip-flop to D flip-flop, and SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop, JK to SR, and JK to T. Likewise, we will convert. When we will convert based on our availability. For example, if SR flip-flop is available, we want to use it as JK flip-flop, then we will convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay, this is the conversion. Okay, thank you.